just driving through some big fields of sugar cane. Just finished paying to get in, driving up towards the parking area, and very soon we'll be hiking towards the waterfalls. This is the beginning of the waterfalls. The water is very blue and turquoise looking, super nice. That first little waterfall I was showing, I was right down there. There's a walking path to go continuing up towards the rest of them. There's several more falls to check out. So we're making our way to the top. Check that all out. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow. Wow, that is so nice. Okay. Alright, another waterfall there, Cascada de Angel. It's just down these steps. Check that out quick and then continue on back up. Wow. To come yet. Oh, they're up there, the big ones. Nice, getting close. Getting very close to the big main falls. Camera again does no justice to what the eye can see here. Just about there. That's the last spot, those steps right there. Ooh, it's so nice. Okay, we were just right up there. It's really loud and the mist coming off of there feels like it's raining on you. But the view's incredible. Look at that color down there. That's amazing. So beautiful. It would be so cool to jump that right there and then jump right there. It's probably so deep, so it would be perfect, but you're prohibited from swimming here. That's down the valley. We're gonna swim here. I'm gonna put my stuff. We'll bring our stuff over here. Ooh, look at that.
That's crazy.
Oh, it can still fly. Wow. Crazy. Okay, got my swim shorts on. Look how clear that water is. Amazing. Yeah. All right. Wow, wow, wow. It looks really deep right there. It looks really deep. I can't even see the bottom. Wow. Someone on a zip line. Nice. They're telling me to jump, but it's really cold. I don't really want to jump. Okay. I think I'm gonna jump. It's freezing cold. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that's it. Headed back to the vehicle.